There are farmer protests going on all over Europe, and you may have heard about one or two, but it is vast magnitude of actually, it's a revolution going on over there. Take a look at this. This is a map just highlighting Poland. Here's a map just highlighting the protest going on in France. Here's a map highlighting the protest going on in Spain. Here's all of Europe together. And here's a list of all the countries now in Europe where these farmer protests are going on. Here's some images. Look at these tractors. Look at these people. Look at this fire. Look at this magnitude of protest and angst and anxiety. And there's one simple formula going on here, and that is the farmers know if there is no food, that's what topples governments. No food, governments go under. It is time to start growing your own food right now. Go to www.backyardfoodproduction.com. I'll show you everything you need to know, even if you have no experience, you're older, you're out of shape. I promise you, it's a lot easier than you think. You need to get started today.